This is a video in a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica S Limited Edition. The center console was stuck. What wound up happening was that the reason why it wouldn't open is because the cable that's actuated by lifting this lever, this handle, had been disconnected. So I think a lot of people would benefit from knowing that there's a cable right here that runs all along here, and then when the cable falls out, this arm does not move and it remains in the stuck position. So what you got to do is carefully, if you pull it out, if it is pulled out, there is a little hole here. It's like a cylinder. Actually, I'll just pull it out so you can see it. Hopefully it'll work. Let's see. See that little groove right there? I'm not going to take it out because it was a pain in the butt. But right here, there is a little hole where the little cylinder, it's like it's what's at the end of the cable. Once you put it back inside, it falls into place, and then squeezing the handle moves the lever and allows you to very easily slide it back and forth. So you don't have to remove the center console completely. You just have to, in this case, if it happens to be the cable that is disconnected, see if I get another angle. That is literally all you have to do. Do you see that little pin position right there? There's the little groove. There's a little space between the white plastic, and you see that the end tip on which the steel cable is connected to, you have to slide the cable in through that gap right there, and then position that securing pin that is attached to the cable, and then it falls in place and it allows you to close the handle and close the drawer very easily. So hope this helps to everyone who's been affected by this. Right there. Focus the trash. But again, lifting it moves it because there's two positions. One, the halfway position, and the other is the full open position. So that takes care of that problem. Good luck to everyone.